This is Ben with WTI, and when I had an outdoor project, I turned to the AMAGABELI Garden and Home 4-foot by 100-foot weed barrier landscape fabric. I wanted to plant in a corner of my backyard that has a lot of weeds, so that's when I decided to use the fabric. The first order of business was to clear the ground I intended to use the fabric on. Next, I unwrapped the roll, and when you open it up, you see that it's actually folded in two. When you unfold it, you get the full 4 feet of coverage, which is really a lot in one small package. Despite being relatively thin and lightweight, it provides great weed suppression and also provides good shade to block out those weeds. And when it was time to trim around a fence post, all I needed was a pair of scissors, make a couple of cuts, and next thing you know, I have a perfectly trimmed piece of fabric. I was thrilled that in just a few short minutes I had a neat, tidy, water-permeable, weed-suppressing barrier that's going to help my yard look a lot better, especially once I get some plants in there. And once I was done, all I had to do was roll it up for nice, compact, easy storage until the next project. So when you're ready to level up your landscape, I recommend the AMAGABELI Garden and Home 4 by 100 foot weed barrier landscape fabric. And that's my point of view.